In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you auto-assign role to new user in Discord server. To auto-assign role to new user in Discord server, you just have to follow this simple steps. So first of all, you want to open up a browser and log into Discord account. So type in discord.com and log in into your account. Press the login button, enter in your credential, and you'll be taken to the home page. While you're logged in, click on any of these accounts or any of these server. And once you open up the server page, click on the arrow icon from the top right and go to server settings. After you go to server settings, right on this page, you want to go ahead and look for roles. And then you want to already go ahead and create one. Now, if you don't have it, so you could just go ahead and set any role. I'm just going to go ahead and type in, and this is going to be the role. So I'm click on create role, after which you could go ahead and customize all of these and click on save changes. You could also go ahead and enable all of these. Now, what next you want to do is open up a new tab and you want to type in carl.gg. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to this page. Click on login with Discord. Now enter in your credential and log into your account. Now you want to go ahead and select the server for which you want to actually auto assign the role. So it's for this particular one, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna direct you to this page. Now here you want to keep scrolling and click on the continue button. Make sure to authorize all of these permissions, and then you also make sure to mark on this cap catch or just fill out this form. Click on get started, or you could just simply click on skip. You'll be directed to this page. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Discord server, and here you want to go ahead and locate whether you've actually joined or not. So over here, you could just go ahead and click on the refresh button, and you could actually see that the cardboard has already joined. Now that it's not for this one, I'm going to check it out. So here, as you can see, here it is. Once again, click on the name in the top left and click on the arrow icon and go to server settings once again. Then you want to go to roles once again, and here you could find cardboard here, right? So you want to hold on to this, and so here you want to go ahead and make sure to place it right over here. After which, click on the edit button. Then you want to scroll down a bit. Make sure that manage roles is enabled. Just go ahead and make sure to toggle the button and click on save changes. Once you've done it so, you want to go ahead and now what you want to do is go back to the carl.gg port. After which, head over to the left hand side and go to moderations. You want to click on auto roles from the bottom, and here you could go ahead and set a row options such as this and click on the save button, and this way you'll have successfully auto assigned roles to new user in Discord server. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.